Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add admin to Facebook page. It is pretty easy to do. As you can see here, I have my new business page opened. So what we're going to do to add an admin is that we're going to want to tap on the professional dashboard right here. Tap on it. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find tools. All right. Tap on tools. Scroll down a bit until you find profile. Under this section, as you can see, page access is available. Just go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see here, people with Facebook access or people with task access. If you want to give them full access right here, just tap on add new. If you want to add them specific task for the page, hit on add new right here. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm going to add in a person, which I will give full access. Just tap on add new and hit on next. Right here, search by name or username. I'm going to add in this guy right here. And this one. As you can see in this page, these are the following that he can manage: content, messages and calls, community activity, and insights. There's a slider right here that says allow this person to also have full control. All right. If you want to give the person full control, just go ahead and tap on the slider and turn it on. Once done, just hit on give access. All right. Now in here, it's going to ask for your profile password. I'm just going to add it right here and I'm going to hit on confirm. And as you can see here, as easy as that, you have just added an admin to your Facebook page. So what this person's going to do is just open up his or her notifications, and there will be a particular notification there that says you have given access to this page. So he or she is going to tap on that and hit on accept. And once done, you're all good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.